Alright guys, today on Hughes Garage, I got a backseat organizer. Here's the one I got off Amazon. It's cheap, it was like, I don't know, 20 bucks or so. But it's just like, it just kind of sags and everything. So I went ahead and got an upgraded one. The brand for the new one, it's like a Napa leather, it's real nice. It's called Coverado backseat organizer. So we're gonna check that out and compare it to this. This one does have like a nice little drop down thing, but it's not gonna support anything. Let's take a look at the good one. Based off looks, this one's a lot better. Coverado, Napa leather. Super easy to install, and it looks really good. You got a little cup holder, you got a little Velcro mat pocket, I guess, whatever you want to call it. This part comes down and holds things. It is magnetic, which is real nice. So you got that. The thing I like about it mostly is, like if you're sitting back here and you got a tablet or something, you can unzip this, goes down. It's actually pretty solid. You can actually slide your phone or your tablet or anything in there. That way you could like watch it without having to hold the phone the whole time. You also get another little drink holder. Nice little straps that are adjustable. Overall, very, very good product. I mean, this thing is sweet. You got little pockets right here. But if you compare it to this one, it's just janky. And this thing ain't even old. It's just janky, see? Here's my daughter's little tablet sitting there. We can try it out over here. See how it works out. Oh, well, hers is one of those Amazon tablets. They're kind of thick. But yeah, works good. There we go. But she'd be able to just kind of have it here. Be good to go. Overall, I highly recommend this. For a backseat organizer, you can't really beat it. And it does go tighter to the seat. It has extra straps for that. The way my seat is set up, it doesn't really bother me. I actually kind of like how it is. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.